Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and trade the best meme coins using Degen Screener and buy them with the Bitget wallet, which I'm using myself. Whether you're hunting the high risk micro cap gems or looking for upcoming cult meme coins with strong communities, I'll break it all down step by step. So make sure to smash the likes before we jump into this. The first tool I use is Degen Screener, which is hands down the best platform for tracking live meme coin launches and spotting early opportunities. And you see all these picks, so which one should you get? There are millions and millions of shit coins. Every day there's another 100 or 1000 new meme coins, which are rugging every day. So yeah, 90% will go to zero, so it's a very risky market. Now there are some filters which can help you by identifying the potential good meme coins. Whether it's short term, mid term or long term, but it all depends. So if you are searching for the next Degen play, but be careful, these Degen picks, they can go up 5x in 1 hour and the second hour it will go to zero. That's the possibility with these picks, okay? So invest wisely. So you can just click filters. Now first of all, what are you searching for? Are you looking for a meme coin on Solana, a meme coin on Ethereum? So you can click all platforms and you can actually pick which ecosystem you want to trade on. So let's just pick Solana in this case. Save. And now we are going to look for the low cap Solana plays, which are micro cap, okay? So they are very time sensitive. These are picks that are brand new, with a liquidity of like 10,000 with a minimum FAD of 100,000. So let's do it like this. Now the pair age means how old is the crypto, when did it launch. Now we want it to be as brand new as possible, so let's just do 0 hours and max, let's just say 2 days. 2 days, but it all depends on your own risk reward. If it's like a few hours old, then it's way more riskier, okay? But hey, no risk, no champagne. Now the amount of transactions, of course, you want it to be still active, not a dying project. So there still has to be some kind of trading volume. Now the last transactions, let's just go to the 1 hour transactions. Let's put it at 50. So minimum 50 transactions in the last hour. So now you have a whole list. A whole list of meme coins which are only like less than 2 days old, with decent liquidity. And then as you can see, they all pumped significantly the last 24 hours. There are a few which are, I think, being rugged, because there's a high possibility that you will get rugged if you keep holding this project. Now, which one is appealing or which one didn't really pump the last 24 hours? You can actually filter the way you like. What I like to do is just filter on the market cap. Just let's go to the lowest market cap and which one didn't pump significantly the last 24 hours. Now, for example, Box, the land of Box. This looks pretty good with 135k market cap and liquidity 127k. Now, then we are looking at the chart. Of course, we only see a huge green candle. And we see that this one got listed at around 3:30, which is like 10 minutes ago. And it's maybe about to skyrocket. But of course, it's risky. I will probably upload this video tomorrow, so check it out for fun at what market cap this project is. But right now I'm calling it at 135k. I'm joking, I'm not calling anything, but I think it's a fun thing to see actually how it develops. So these are freshly new launched meme coins, which are very risky, but hey, you can catch the pump, right? You can be one of the early investors. And if you want to gamble like that, use these filters. You think, okay, this is a little bit too risky for me. I want to have a little bit more higher in market cap meme coins, which are more steadier, less volatile than these Degen ones you'll be looking at. I actually want to look at mid caps, which aren't as Degen as these micro caps. Then I got another filter for you. So I put the liquidity at 100 grand, just add a 0. Let's add another 0 at the FDV, so that's 1 million. Now for these mid caps, you want to see a lot of volume, of course. So let's just put the volume at 1.5 million or 2 million or 1 million, just what you like. I prefer it like this. And let's just say instead of 50 transactions, 150 transactions. So there's a lot of activity. And let's apply it. So now you have this whole list of meme coins, which are mid cap for the Degens, because it's still 1 million. Now I have to say, we have a pair age of 2 days old. Now, for these filters, it's not really necessary, but it's up to you. If you remove this, you actually get the less riskier meme coins added. So they are here for a while. They manage to survive for longer than 2 days. It's safer, but hey, Degen trading will never be safe. So let's remove the 48 hours and apply it and just sort the market cap. Or let's just sort the 24 hours. Let's just see which one haven't pumped significantly. All right, so this one is 3 months old. And I heard about this one, Fuok. So you could say that, okay, this is a healthy meme coin with a steady community, and the chart is looking bullish as hell as well. So this one is looking very good. You're not buying a blow off top as well. So these filters help me identify the less riskier meme coins, which are building a community as well. Very interesting. So Fuok also want to look at. There's a lot of buys coming in. So yeah, this wasn't a pump or dump. So maybe another one to put on your watch list. Now, of course, all these meme coins are relatively new, but you can also use the filters to filter for older meme coins. So for example, the pair age, how many hours? Let's just say 100 days. Yeah? 100 days. Minimum. Let's apply it. These are the meme coins which are holding strong. Well, not necessarily, but you can also filter them out. So these meme coins are not looking very healthy, but as I said, they're very volatile. If you cannot handle a 40% drop, you don't deserve a 40x. Anyway, we see Sigma sitting over here. So you see the older meme coins, 11 months, 7 months, 4 months old, 8 months old. Mumu the Bull is sitting around here. So with these filters, you'll be able to identify the upcoming cold meme coins which are holding very strong and not being pumped and dumped. So definitely a filter to look at. So these are actually my filters I'm using when I'm just being in the trenches. But of course, everybody has their own style, their own taste. So you have these upcoming cult meme coins which are just growing and growing and growing. Then you have these degen trades which mostly don't last for 2 days. And then you have the blue chips like Peppy and, So if you like to do degen trading, get a couple of multipliers in a few hours, but please take out your initials as soon as possible. Then you should use the first filters. Now, Blaney, how do you buy these coins? Now you can buy it on a DEX, right? You have Uniswap, you have MetaMask, but what am I using? So this is actually my go-to wallet for trading meme coins. It's very simple, it's secure, and it supports a wide range of tokens across multiple chains. So in our example, we were trading Solana meme coins. So when we found our pick, so in this case, let's get Sigma, okay? Then you scroll down on Dex Screener, you see this contract address behind Sigma, okay? You got to copy that one. Then you head back to Bitget wallet, and we're still at the home page. Then you go to markets. You click on markets, and you can search and discover top meme coins. So you just copy and paste the contract address, and then you'll be seeing Sigma sitting over here. Now click it, and then you'll be able to swap it, right? Click buy. And if you have any SOL on your account, you can actually trade it for Sigma. But if you don't know how to send SOL to this wallet, let me show you a little bit. So you go to the home page, you click on receive, select receiving token, click Solana, and then you'll be able to generate your wallet address. So if you want to send SOL from your exchange to this wallet, use this address and make sure to send it over the Solana network. And it's actually that easy. So when you have already imported the token, with the contract address, you'll be able to swap it as well with the function over here, just trade. Now I have 0 SOL, so I'm not going to make the transaction, but now of course you also need gas for SOL. So if you want to have like $100 in Sigma, just send $120 to your wallet so you're sure that you can make the transaction. So if you're trading SOL meme coins, make sure you have SOL in your wallet for gas fees, but the same for Ethereum, the same for BNB, the same for the base chain. So that's something you should not forget. So for example, if you have 1 SOL and you buy 1 SOL of Sigma, you will not be able to cash out because you don't have enough for the gas fees. Okay? Always make sure to have a buffer. So guys, if this was helpful, make sure to smash the likes. And of course, comment below what video do you want to see next. Alright guys, see ya in the next one. Altcoin season is around the corner, and are you still out there lone wolfing it and making terrible decisions with your portfolio? It's time to stop. Let's get your portfolio and mindset sorted out. Join my private Discord and level up as an investor. In the group you'll gain access to exclusive PDF courses where I share all the insights and experience I've picked up over the last 8 years. You'll also get my long-term buy alerts and sell alerts based on high conviction plays, and for the real Degens, we've got short-term trades that hit when the market is ready. And man, we have made some crazy gains in the last few months. And guess what? This is just the beginning. So if you want to grow your network, see what I am doing in this crypto space, and grow as an investor, join now before prices go up.